Good morning children, Joyadash here. Today we will do exercise question number 8 from exercise 12.3 and the sum is again the value of the variable is given and you have to find the value of this expression. The expression is p square minus 2p minus 100. Question number 2 of 8. And if the value of p is equal to minus 10. If the value of p is equal to minus 10, then you have to find the value of this expression. Let's start. P square minus 2p minus 100. This is your expression. Now, you know that you have to put the value because there is no like terms. You can't do anything here now. So, after writing this expression, as because no like terms are there, you have to put the value. Putting value of p is equal to minus 10, we get p square minus 2p minus 100. P square means p into p minus 2 into p minus 100. Next, the value of p is minus 10. So, minus 10 into minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10 for p. Minus 10 into minus 10. Then minus 2 into p. Value of p is again minus 10. And then minus 100. You understood? P into p. Minus 10 into minus 10. Then minus 2 into p, minus 2 into value of p is minus 10 and then the constant term. Now minus into minus plus 10 into 10, 100. Minus into minus again plus 2 into 10, 20. Minus 100. Then what you can do, 100 plus 100 and minus 100 you can cancel out and then the result is 20. Understood? Next question is, now question number 9. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5? That means what is given here? The expression is like an equation, 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5. It is given. The value of the expression 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. You have to find the value of a when the value of x is equal to 0. See, the question is slightly, try to understand the question. What should be the value of a? That means the value of a you have to find out when value of x is given. What is the value of x? 0. Putting value of x is equal to 0. What we are getting here? 2 into x into x. Students, you see, when we are putting this into sign and x, the difference between the x and the into sign. Sometimes I have seen that students are writing x and into in the same way. See, you are writing x in this way, into also in this way, then x. What is the difference between this? These are not x. They are all looks like into. So don't write in this way. Don't use this x. Write x in a cursive way and into straight line, two straight crisscross line. 2 into x plus x minus a is equal to 5. Now the value of x is 0. So putting value of x, 2 into 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. Understood? Now when you are multiplying 0 with any number, you will get 0 only. 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. then minus a 0 0, no need to write again, minus a is equal to 5. Then you have to find the value of a. Value of a, the question is asking the value of a, not minus a. So to remove this minus sign, what you will do? Minus a into minus 1, multiplying minus 1 both sides, 5 into minus 1, multiplying both sides by minus 1. Now what you will get now? Minus into minus plus a is equal to minus 5. This is your answer. What is the value of a? It is minus 1. Understood? Next question is question number 10. Question number 10 is simplify the expression. That means first of all you have to simplify it. Don't put the value in this condition. Simplify the expression and find its value. When a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. That means two variables are given, a, b, a, b, a, b. Two variables are there, a and b, and the value of the variables are also given. First of all you have to simplify it, then you will find the value of it. The expression is 2 into a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Then what you have to do? First you have to remove the bracket. 2 is here multiplied. 2 is multiplied with this expression a square plus ab. So first of all you multiply it. For simplification, 2 into a square. First 2 will be multiplied by the first term, then plus 2 into ab, then plus 3 and minus ab. Now expand this. A square means 2 times a, 2 into a, 2a square, plus 2 into a into b, 2ab. Oh sorry, we have to simplify also. We will do it afterwards, so cancel this. Afterwards we will do it. First we have to arrange them according to their like terms. Now 2a square plus 2ab, then minus ab and ab like terms, plus 3. Now what we will get? 2a square plus 2ab minus ab. That means you have to do the subtraction. From 2 you have to subtract 1 and larger number sign will come, then 1ab plus 3. 1, no need to write 1 here also, we have not written 1. So 2ab minus ab, 1ab is left, plus 3. Now the expression this way we will expand now. 2 into a plus a into b plus 3. Putting value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. What we will get? 2 into a, that means 5 into 5, plus a into b, 5 into minus 3, 5 into minus 3. AB done, plus 3. 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 5, 50. Plus minus, 5 3s are 15, plus 3. Do the simplification now. 50 minus 15, what you will get? 5, 10, 5, 1 carry 2, and it is 35 plus 3. 50 minus 15, 35. 35 plus 3, you will get 38. This is your answer. Not only this one, simplification answer also your answer. So you will get two answers. when we are asking that simplify the expression and find the value, that means this is the first part of the question and this is the second part of the question. So answer of the first part is this and answer of the second part is this. I hope all of you understand these sums. Watch the video 2 to 3 times. Then if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the class. Thank you, students.